Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can calculate hotel reservation night or an event in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel and I have prepared my data. These are my data for the guest and the check-in date and also the checkout date, and we're going to calculate how many nights have the guest taken in this hotel. And you can create column like this, and I'm going to show you the formula to calculate the hotel reservation nights. Okay, this is for the formula. You're going to use count ifs, and then you can select the criteria range. This is for the check-in date. You can select them all and you need to add this dollar symbol. Okay, and as you can see, mine is from B2 cell until B10 cell for the check-in date. And then you're going to add the criteria. Okay, this is for the criteria. Less than the this date. Okay, and the second one, for the criteria range 2, you can choose the checkout date, and then larger than this date. Okay, and this is the result. Then you're going to add total here, and you just need to sum the nights. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.